Hello Year 5 and 6, welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. I hope you've had a good week. I've been in school this week with the few children who are still coming to school at Grange. Well done to those of you who've had a good week with your online learning. I've seen loads of you sending your emails into your teachers with your work and they've been really happy to see that. So well done if you completed any online learning this week. But a particular well done to these children who have done exceptional online learning. Let's see who they are. So, from Churchill class, we have Dana, Sawa, Eric, Mario, Jackie, Hader, Dinesh, Diana, Raisa. Well done to those children from Churchill class. From GANDHI class, we have Dua and Alex. They've done excellent online learning this week and Miss Kalu's very proud of them. From LUTHERKING class, we have Mariama, Race, Anastasia, Zubair, Ibrahim, Ayub, Blinart, Sina, and Anushanth. Arzu, Zara. Well done, LUTHERKING children who've done excellent online learning. From BATUTTA class, we have Salafa, Jack, Abner, Kathleen, Sebastian, and moving on to Darwin class, well done to Taiba, Barthana, Ria, Erin, Robert, Maha, Reese, Bargo, Nessa, Srivatsan, Igor, and Marwa. And last but not least, in Shackleton class, well done to Miria, Ranavan, Karim, Raki, Kyle. So, lots of children completing excellent online learning this week and we're really proud of them, but we're also really proud of everybody who's doing excellent online learning at home. So, if you would like to be in the Celebration Assembly next week, make sure you send your excellent online learning into your teacher on your year group email addresses. And if you think you might have got a gold certificate this week, have a look at Mr. Kerball's assembly on Monday morning. Have a good weekend.